Hi everyone, this is a video how to finish this shawl. I received a few requests, people asking how to finish it, and this is I decided to post a video how to finish. So once you have the you crochet as many tulips as you would like, and you come to the point you want to finish, so you have complete tulip and then crochet chain 4 and chain 4. So this is, so I would suggest to, if you want, you don't have to, but what I would do, I would add another row of those chain 4 and chain 4. So let's see how it will look. So I finish one row and then turn around at this point, and this work on the edging as you already did. And if you need that shawl tutorial, I posted a video just below this if you would like to make this. You do the edging, chain 2 and then 2 double crochet. So I'm working on this edging. Now chain 4 and then connect with the slip stitch, and you just do another row with chain 4 and with slip stitch connecting. So just finish that row, and then the last row will be the final. One more row. You don't have to, but if you would like to, you can. So just like that, one more row. So if you finish the row with the edging, and now turn around, slip. So this is the last row. Slip stitch and then into the middle, chain 3, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet, 2 double crochet into that space. So this is the edging, and you now continue like this the entire row. So yarn over, 2 double crochet into that space, chain 2 and 2 double crochet into that space. So you'll continue like that the entire row, and this is the last and final row. 2 double crochet into the next space, and then chain 2 and 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Continue like this the entire row, into each space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and just like that. So continue just like that, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, the entire row just like this to the end. And so few more times. And then at the last, same way, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet to finish, 1 and 2. And now you just cut the yarn and pull through the loop and then hide the ends, and you are done. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.